Hello and welcome back to Strategic Investor Radio, broadcasting today from the 13th Annual IMN Non-Traded REIT and Retail Alternative Investment Symposium here at beautiful Dana Point, California. We're here with our guest, Jay Keener, Senior Vice President of Capital Markets for McDonald Realty Group out of the Dallas area of Texas. So Jay, welcome to the conference.
Thank you, Charlie. It's exciting to be here at the IMN conference. It is our first opportunity to be here. We are very excited to meet with many new faces, many old relationships that we have been able to establish relationships with, and at the same time meet up with many new people that we have been able to strategically bring into our fold and build hopefully new relationships.
So Jay, this is a ever-changing and dynamic industry with lots of regulation changes, lots of product changes, many changes, a more crowded industry than it was certainly 5+ years ago. What have you found here at the conference that has been specifically helpful to you in focusing on this marketplace and better understanding it?
This conference has been very insightful for both our company with all of our business partners within this industry. We've seen a lot changes, obviously, as you said, within the past 5 years. And a lot of that has been what we consider very beneficial to us as a company during our growth. With the changes in the regulatory environment, we see that as a positive change for us as a company as we grow and move forward. We look at it as an opportunity to reach out to our business partners, our colleagues, and show them exactly where we stand, how we fit within their business models for their clients, for their portfolios, and exactly how we stand up in the markets today.
So Jay, tell us about McDonald Realty Group. You guys are out of Dallas. What do you do for whom?
Well, our focus in the Dallas and North Texas markets, we are really focused on the multifamily apartment communities and really establishing what we consider a value add. We really look for the communities that are your high C, B properties. And the reason that those are what are considered your C and B properties are by age, not necessarily by price, things of that nature, but it's just properties that have good structure, good bones, that we can come in and add value. So we want to be able to come into those communities that have good established tenants, that we can bring value to them, put in new paint, establish upgrades in the kitchens, chair rails in the apartments, two-tone paints. And what our philosophy is, can we make that more of a condo-like apartment community and bring it to the families to have it more of a home rather than an apartment?
You know, Jay, you guys are certainly well located. Anyone who has been to the North Dallas area in the past few years knows how it is growing and how these major corporations have been coming in almost by the droves and bringing with them lots and lots of people. And so I would think there would be great demand for housing there in the North Dallas area.
You know, demand has been huge in North Dallas, and that is one of the factors that has driven the markets out there. For us in particular, product has been a facet that when we go out looking for product and properties, we do not get into the bidding wars with everyone else. Our relationships within our business partners is very unique. We keep our relationships with our banks and our brokers to where properties are actually brought to us. So when we get out there, our lenders and so on know that we're going to close on those properties. So when we look at them, they know that when we say we want a property, they know that we're going to get it. And we can take advantage of it and get in and get it done.
So Jay, is the structure for accredited investors only for your product?
Yes, our products are for accredited investors only. It is a Reg D, and our philosophy is a little bit different. We actually will be the first ones into the property. We will buy the property with our own assets. We do not believe in raising capital from investors to go buy a property. We will buy the properties first. We will go into the properties and make sure they're established and what we believe stabilized before we'll invite investors in on the properties.
Well, Jay, thank you very much. We appreciate you coming in and joining us today, and we appreciate you being here at the IMN conference. We'd like to make our best wishes to you and McDonald Realty Group for continued success there in the Dallas area. So thank you for coming in.
Charlie, thanks for having me.
Again, we've been talking with Jay Keener, Senior Vice President of Capital Markets for McDonald Realty Group out of the Dallas area. You're listening to Strategic Investor Radio here at the IMN Conference, and we will be right back.